Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. If you are facing problem while using Capcut, such as too many people using this feature, no internet connection or feature not working properly, this video will show you simple way to fix this issue. Many users experience this error when the app server are busy, the internet connection is unstable, or the app version is outdated. The software is the latest version of Capcut. We have used many versions of Capcut and I think this version is very good. You can use this version without any problem. The link to the software will be given in the pinned comment of the video. You will download the software. However, I can't say exactly how long this software will work properly. But as long as it works, you will be able to use all the features very well. When there is any problem, I will bring another new video. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.